So in this video, I'm introducing how to be successful in business and the 10 important rules that the wealthy follow, coming up. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Eric Rodriguez and I'm a full-time entrepreneur and online marketer since 2013, and my channel is all about me teaching you everything that I can so you could be successful online as well. So let's get started. This is video number 1 out of the 10 videos in my series that I break down every single detail on how to do affiliate marketing for beginners. Now it's 100% free and I'm not even asking for an email address. So if you don't want to miss the next 9 videos, consider subscribing.
Number 1. Get mentally prepared to learn and have patience. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. Number 2. Set small, specific objectives, especially with dates, to complete the big objective. Number 3. Start immediately. Use the new excitement of the goal as fuel. No exceptions. Number 4. Be optimistic. There is always a positive action from a negative action. So whatever life chucks at you, don't let it break you down. Number 5. Take action. Procrastination is a deadly weapon because it has killed millions of great ideas. Number 6. Be resolute. You never know what is going to happen. Have no fear, learn, and dig deep to keep going. Number 7. Be attractive. Think, feel, see, smell your end goal. Tell yourself you're the best. No one can stop you. Make a dream board and write your end goals to put it out into the universe. Number 8. Steve Jobs says it best. If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you're about to do today? Number 9. Arnold Schwarzenegger. He said it best about clarity. Have a clarity or a clear vision of your goal and do whatever it takes. Number 10. Bill Gates says to get a mentor, because a mentor will not let you to reinvent the wheel. Be healthy. It's very important. No negative thoughts and have clear thoughts. And put blinders on so you have tunnel vision to your goal. So question of the day, what gets you motivated? Make sure you put your answer down in the comments. I would love to connect with you and also connect with our community. Sometimes they have the best advice, techniques, and tips. So thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you can get the next 9 videos in my free affiliate marketing for beginners course. Now, the next video is going to show you how and where to get a profitable product and then get everything set up so you can get the ball rolling. So I also put the description of this video down below, and I'll see you on the next video.